What's up, YouTubers? My name is Nyla and I am here with Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Today we are showing you a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Beautiful, beautiful green with the white top. Interior is going to be two-tone black leather and dark green as well. This car is in such good shape. I want to buy it for myself. Two-seater coupe, just in phenomenal condition. Doing a little walk around so I can show you the interior and exterior. Take a look at that. And I'm sorry, it is all dark green in here. It looked black from my angle, but I was wrong. It's all dark green. The chrome insets are in perfect condition. You got the wood grain steering wheel, sets it off. The horn does work. This back compartment here, super clean. New stereo and speakers put in here. It is a manual shift, manual transmission, 4-speed, just absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and get the engine started for you and we will continue on with the video. All right, now this is a convertible and it is a manual convertible. So Bobby and I are gonna show you how it's done. This is to put it back up. There's a latch in the center there, it's kind of hidden. You flip up that back, then you pull forward. Yeah, you gotta pull the back up too. Perfect, yep. Then this is gonna snap back down, just like that. Snap those in there. We'll do that in a second. And then you bring this up and there's two latches right underneath. Yep, snapped in. And then there's latches here. I'm trying to do it one-handed, but you get the drift. And it works really well. And then you just do the opposite going back. You unsnap those. Then these back here, you just unsnap those, let that loose. Release that handle in the center and you got yourself a convertible. Thanks, Bobby. Okay, we're taking the 67 Vet for a drive here. It is a manual, so we've got Mark behind the wheel.
The clutch feels real nice.
It feels so good. I just drove it just to test it out for myself because it's such a nice car.
Beautiful interior.
Yes.
Love the green.
And drives like new.
Yeah, very factory feel. Going all the way to third right there felt very, very good.
Cool.
Brakes are nice and solid. Clutch is strong.
Good.
All the way through four. Feels really nice.
Feels good and looks good. We're gonna flip it around, put it up on the lift, and we will show you the undercarriage. Thanks so much.